Most people think investing in stock is about picking the right company, buying low, selling high, and crossing your fingers, but that's not how wealthy people play the game. The rich don't just invest in stock, they use the market like a tool, a wealth building engine, and the way they approach is completely different from the average investor. First, rich investors don't chase hype. They're not gambling on memes, stocks, or the next big thing going viral on Reddit. They know the emotion kills return. Instead, they focus on long term value. They look for businesses with real profits, strong fundamentals, and durable advantages. They're not looking for quick flips. They're buying ownership in companies they believe will be around 10, 20, 30 years from now. But the real secret, the rich don't just buy stocks, they build portfolios. They diversify across sectors, industries, and asset classes. They use asset allocation. They protect their downside while the average person throws money into one or two stocks and hope for the best. Wealthy investors think the institution. Their goal is not to beat the market in a week, it's to never lose big. Another key difference, the rich use tax strategy. They understand that it's not just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Many invest through tax advantage account, trust, or even corporate entities. They harvest losses to offset gains. They use dividends of long-term capital gains, which are taxed at lower cost. They don't panic during downturns. They use them as buying opportunities. When market crash, they go shopping. They also invest for income, not just growth. That means dividend paying stock, preferred shares, and ETFs are general regular cash flow instead of only hoping a stock goes up. They earn money just by holding, and as that income grows, they reinvest it. That's how compound interest really works, not just through time but through consistency. And here's the part of one talk about leverage. The rich often borrow against their portfolios instead of selling them. Why? Because loans are not taxable, so they keep their asset growing while saying cash. This is how the ultra wealthy live tax free while their network climbs. It's not magic, it's strategy. Many of them also invest through hedge funds, private equity, or managed portfolios with teams of analysts and economists. But it's not about complicity, it's about control. They know where the money is, what it's doing, and how it fits into the bigger picture. The stock investors are part of the plan, not a gamble. So if you want to invest like a rich, start by changing your mindset, thinking long term, focus on ownership, use a tax code to your advantage, reinvest your income, and stop chasing trends. The real wealth is not made from quick wins, it's built through strategy, patience, and smart positioning.